Hey there, it's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and we are at our property in Charlotte, North Carolina. This property is located in Steel Oaks, which is right inside of 12 Oaks off of Arrowwood Road in Charlotte. Now this property is a bit interesting because it's been vacant for a while, which many of my properties have been vacant, but this one has also been vandalized. Somebody has been living in here and doing all kinds of weird stuff. Not to mention that the tenants that lived here before the property went vacant had some medical issues, which you'll see the evidence when we get inside. We're also by the airport, so you can hear airplanes flying overhead. It's actually very convenient to all of the highways, 77 and 85, and then of course the airport. So let me take you inside, show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's in horrible condition, but soon we'll be fixing that. Let's take a look. So as we walk up to this property, you'll see that we have some roof issues. The gutters are completely filled. We've got some wood issues. Looks like we have termites over by this one downspout for the gutter, and that wood has to be replaced, and any termite issues that we might have need to be repaired as well. It's vinyl siding, so that will be very easy to fix. We'll just pressure wash that and keep it moving. The shutters, we'll paint those a different color. We'll probably go with black out here, and then we'll give it a nice yellow door, as I most often do. I won't say always, but most often. So let's walk inside and see what probably some teenagers have done to the property. So wow, somebody likes to paint. Someone was an artist here. Not very good, but I mean, really? Did you have to do all of this? And a pipe coming out of the walls? You can see that the tenant, one of the tenants that lived here, was bound to a wheelchair, and they just left their furniture all over the place. We've got more vandalization over here. They just came in and had a field day destroying stuff. And it continues into the kitchen. For the most part, these cabinets are in good shape. We've got this cabinet door that will need to be replaced. We'll definitely be replacing the countertops. I'm gonna see if I can save these cabinets though, because that could save me a lot of money. The floors are nice and solid, even though they're a mess. All that will come up. They are nice and solid, and so I don't feel any dipping or foundation issues. In the living room, we have a mess. We've got some old food in a chair, some in the recliner. I think was food, maybe a body part, I don't know. Over here, someone broke in. We've got a broken window here, glass everywhere. Now this is what I like to call TV dinner. All right, so we'll go into the master bedroom first. Now this is a nice size room, but it also has the most problems of the entire house. We've got roof issues, and through the attic, it's just rained through here until there's a big hole. We got dead birds in here. We got leaves from outside. We got a hole in the floor over here. So just as soon as I said it felt like good solid floors, this room, not so. So we've got a nice big bathroom in here, separate shower and tub. We'll have to redo this because this is old school. We do have double vanity. This whole bathroom will get a complete facelift. We'll completely redo this bathroom. And then the master closet is right through the bathroom. Nice size closet, walk-in closet. Now all of the other bedrooms are completely on the other side of the house. And so as you walk down this hallway to your right, you've got the utility closet and the bathroom. To your left, there's the laundry closet, which is pretty big, nice space there. But that bathroom, someone got up in here. They were cooking over the sink. I don't know what they were cooking. And then of course doing their artwork. There's a leak. They tried to turn the water on today, but something is leaking pretty badly. So there are 2 bedrooms on this side. You'll see this is it's all right size. We've got the wallpaper up top, and obviously the carpet will have to be replaced. And the other bedroom is just across the hallway. And you can see this is where that previous tenant resided. Unfortunately, he did pass away, but that was months before I got the property. So in the backyard, we have this huge deck, but it's not safe to go out here. So this backyard is not really that big. It has an odd shape, kind of like a triangle. I'm gonna have to get this surveyed to make sure that I'm working within my property line. But a lot of yard cleanup needs to be done out here. There's an old trampoline that needs to go, and another wheelchair just sitting out here. And then of course this monstrous deck, which just has to go. So now that you have seen what I've gotten myself into again, I'm looking to buy more properties like this, more properties better than this, or worse than this. I'm here to help you sell your home. So if you need to sell a home, give me a call, 704-755-5535. I look forward to working with you.